Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the server is available and you have a non-root account with correct privileges, because permissions control what you can change. Once done, open MySQL Management Studio and create a connection entry. Enter host, port 3306, username and password, then click Test Connection to confirm reachability. If the test fails, check firewall and server status. Make sure to save the connection for quick access. This sets the foundation for safe exploration and prevents accidental work on production. Once connected, pick the database in the left pane so your query is run where you expect. This avoids accidental updates elsewhere. Next, use the schema browser to review tables, relationships, and indexes, since understanding structure helps you craft efficient queries. Then open an SQL Editor tab and run select queries first to preview results. When updating, use parameterized or prepared statements and wrap changes in transactions. If you must alter schema, create backups or export a dump before applying DDL to prevent data loss. To finish tasks, execute changes inside transactions so you can commit after verification. This provides a safety net for multi-step edits. Make a dump or use the built-in export before any destructive operation so you can restore quickly. After running commands, review affected rows and query plans to confirm performance. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: check connection details, firewall, and server error logs for authentication or socket issues. Address those first, then retry with a smaller test case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.